Also, you guys don't know when to scale the creative or kill the creative. That's yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about exactly why 80% of clothing brands never scale past that 5k amount with meta ads and how you can fix it. So before you start, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where I've helped more than 60 plus brands scale from making $0 a month to making consistent 6 figures with their brand. So before you start, I just want to let you guys know that if you focus on this video, focus on what I tell you and implement it. Like there's no way your brand won't work. Like this video can change your life. Alright, so let's get started with the video. Alright, so why 80% of clothing brands never scale past that 5k amount with meta ads? And the first reason is because that you don't have any backend systems in your brand. Like you're just running the brand, you don't even know what you're doing, no systems in the brand. Like you need to have systems for your brand. For example, you don't even have email automation. Like you need to have email automations for your brand, because 80% of the time when someone hops on your site, he's not gonna buy at the first time he comes in your site. So that's why email marketing is important. Email automations, add to cart, abandonment flows, and all that stuff, it's important. If you guys want me to record a video on how to set up all the automations, just let me know in the comment section, or just schedule a call with us down below and we can do it for you. There's an 80% chance that they're gonna forget and they're not gonna come back. So that's why the email marketing is important, so that you let them know you'll come back. You can also give them a 10% discount. You'll come back and buy the stuff for a 10% discount. So they're almost solar, all that stuff. Also, SMS marketing, I think SMS marketing is better. Like you can make an automation where they send one email out, then after that you send an SMS out. SMS marketing, I think it's better because most people be on the SMS more than they be on the email. Also, customer reactivation, like let's say one person has bought from your item before, you need to be targeting that person to buy again. You need to have return customers if you want to scale past that 5k amount. Like if you check all of these big brands like Zara, for example, they have more return customers than new customers. Alright, so after you're done with the backend system, you have an email automation setup, all of that stuff. You also do email marketing, you set campaigns out, SMS marketing, you're collecting SMS subscribers and all that. Then the next reason why probably not scaling past that 5k amount is because your creatives are too weak. Like when your creatives are too weak, you can't scale past that 5k amount because your creatives get fatigued. Like you need to get evergreen creatives that are gonna stay and carry the ad account for a while. You can't just scale while you're just doing 3 to 5k a month. Like with the, you need to be spending $500 a day if you wanna pass that 5k a month. So what I mean by your creatives are too weak is that your creatives are not that good. You could do better. Also, your creatives will fatigue. Maybe you're not testing enough creatives and all that stuff. So what I recommend for you guys is to test 5 to 10 creatives a week. Like for example, for our clients, we test around 5 to 10 creatives a week. Like it's a rule for our clients, they must print at least 5 creatives for us, 5 video creatives for us, while our creative team gets the other 5 creatives, graphic designs for us. Like that's a rule for our clients, they must get that 5 creatives week. Alright, so you guys just need better content. And the next reason is because you have a shitty ad strategy. Like your ad strategy just sucks. Stop using poor strategies that you see on YouTube. They're just trying to make you buy the course. Like you guys shouldn't believe what you see on YouTube. 80% of the time they are just people trying to make you buy their course. What I want you guys to know about YouTube is that people sometimes gives you the bare minimum and you're using that bare minimum to work with it. What I want you guys to do is take your time, make your own ad strategy that's gonna work, or you guys can even pay for a mentorship. Like sometimes you guys try to do everything by yourself. No, if you want to scale your brand, you guys shouldn't be afraid to hire people to do work for you. Tell me the difference between you and other big brands like Zara. Like the difference between you and all those big brands is that when they see their shit at what they're doing, they find someone who is better than them at the shit that they don't know how to do and they pay him to do it. You guys are afraid to pay someone to do stuff for you because you're too stingy. But what I want you guys to think about is when you pay someone to do that stuff for you, that person is better than you at the stuff that you don't know how to do, which means you're gonna get more money. And when you get more money, you pay him money. The end result is way more worth it than the money you're gonna pay that person. So don't be afraid to delegate someone to do other stuff for you. Like you don't know how to run the ads, you can find a good agency to run the ads. Like me, for example, we have a full-fledged marketing agency. If you guys would like to work with us personally, just schedule a call with us down below. Like all of our clients are 18. But wait, let me show you an example. So as you can see for this client, we had a 3.2x ROAS. We spent 8,000 to get back. We spent 8,000 to make back $27,000 in a month. That's just in a month, guys, with a 3.2x ROAS. Or if you check for this month, we're at $7,000 to get back $20,000 in 20 days. Like that's just true, guys. We're doing this shit for real. Let me show you another one right here. Alright guys, so as you can see, just started running ads for this brand. We already at $862 I've spent to get back $3,000. This ad alone was at a 6x ROAS. This ad was, I made our ROAS go low, but as you guys can see, we're doing this shit for real. So if you guys want me to scale your brand, just schedule a call with us down below and let's get to work. Or just send me a message on Instagram, but I think schedule a call will be better for me. Alright, so I want you guys to stop using poor strategies that you see on YouTube and make a good strategy for your brand that works for you. Like, it's not everything that works for them that will work for you. So your brand is different, like every ad account is different. And the next reason is because you guys have a poor creative testing strategy. You guys are just testing for the sake of testing. You don't know how to test. Like, you need to test with brain, data-driven decisions. Like, you guys just test and you don't even know how to test. So the best way I recommend you guys to test is start with 5 to 10 creatives a week. If you're just starting out with it's a new ad account, or start with 5 creatives, give it a $50 budget. If it carries, then you can scale it, but start with 5 to 10 creatives a week. Also, you guys don't know when to scale the creative or kill the creative. That's the number one problem you guys are facing. You don't know when to scale the creative and kill the creative. When you guys want to kill the creative, you guys need to let it spend at least 60 to 70. Then you look at the cost per ad to cut. All right, wait, let me show you an example. As you can see, we killed this ad because it spent 74 with only one purchase, and the cost per ad to cut was also a bit high, but it was a high ticket product, so it didn't really matter. $9, as you guys can see here. Like, let me show you the difference. As you can see, this is a good ad. As you can see, this is a good ad. You spend 60 to get back 429 with this ad. This ad is scalable. The most scalable ad is this one because it's the highest spender, and also it's maintaining a 3.94x ROAS. Spent 300 to get back 1,269 with this. As you can see here, 9 purchases, cost per result of 35, but it was a high ticket product, so that's really good. And the cost per article was around $8.26. Like, what I want you guys to do is test 5 to 10 creatives a week. Also, out of those 5 to 10 creatives, what I want you guys to do is look at the creatives that are performing, then you try a different variation of the creatives that are performing. Maybe use the same hook, then change the rest of the video, or you create an ad that's like 80% similar, the same song, the same caption, but just a little bit different. Then each week you scale 2 to 3 creatives after you have tested those 5 to 10. Like, let them run for a week or 4 days, or depends on the way that you scale your brand. Then let them run for 3 to 5 days, then you can scale them. If they are not performing, then you can turn them off. Or I guess with the most important that you guys are sleeping on is you're not testing different audiences. What I mean by this are interest tags. Like, let me show you this brand. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in the ads manager right here. I'm gonna show you what we did with an interest tag. As you guys can see, this is the interest tag. We spent $8,700 to get back $27,000 with this one. Then this is the broad campaign. As you can see, we spent $3,000 to get back $10,000. This is also another broad campaign right here. You spend $3,000 to get back $13,000. Even though you guys should focus on broad, one way, if you want to scale past that 5K month, is you need to test different audiences. Like, when we started with this brand, we were stuck with $10,000 a month. Like $10,000, we weren't hitting that 20K mark, but as soon as we added interest tags to it, trust me, doubled, because interest tags are just so easy to play with. Like, they're the easiest way to scale your brand, but the problem with interest tags is that they don't last that much. You could be getting results for a month or two, then after that everything dies down. But the way you can stop that is you guys should never stop testing. Like, what I want you guys to know is that testing is the most important part. You guys should test non-stop, test different audiences. If you're running one audience and it's performing, before that audience dies down, you guys should add another audience to test that different audience, because before the other one dies, you already have a new audience that you can add to it. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we did with the interest tag. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm in the campaign right here. As you can see, we spent $8,000 to make back $27,000 just this interest tag alone. As you can see, for this one, we spent $1,700 to get back $6,000 with just one interest stack with just 3 different audiences. Like, we were testing ASAP, Kanye, and Drake, like rappers. For this one, we spent $1,600 to make back $5,700 with just one audience. Then the third one, as you guys can see, this here we spent $1,200 to get back $5,000. Like, you guys know, there's no other agency doing all this stuff. So if you guys will be interested and want to get similar results to this, just share the comments down below, and you're gonna scale your life. You're gonna scale your life to the max. You don't only do the ads, we do all the backend stuff, SMS marketing, email marketing, all that. Like, the last thing that we're talking about was test different audiences. Trust me, that's the fastest way to scale your brand. Like if you're stuck at that 5K a month, this is the best way to scale your brand. Alright guys, so this will be the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed the video and will want more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.